we have two different types of mining at Timna. One is they just went through the piles of soil that was in the Wadi bed itself, and they would just systematically go through it. And they would also dig tunnels. So here you have a shaft. See on the sides of the footprints? Some of these are extremely deep, actually. And when they found good copper material, then they would dig galleries over to the side, and they would follow the veins. Okay, so, and here's, showing a top-down picture of some of the galleries. But this was also done systematically. We don't have an aerial, maybe, there's no aerial view of the site itself. But, you can look and you'll see there's thousands of these shafts that they just systematically dug over the entire area where you have copper ore. And this is some of the tools. This is actually, you have the granite anvils that you would pound on. The material that this is in is actually a relatively soft sandstone. Relatively.
Can you get down to the bottom still in these things?
Some of them, usually they're full of sand. So when they dug these systematically, so let's just take this example here. You see there's two close together. They would dig one here, then they take the material and they would fill the one behind it when they dug the new one.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Here's some of the other, here you can see some examples of some of the hammers and stuff like that. Here we have flint tools again. Here we can see some of the copper ore. And here's some examples they made of that are similar to some of the shafts.
Those are the slags.
So we have a wide time span of usage. The copper, there's only copper found in a few places in the whole region here. One's Timna, the other major one, which is actually bigger, is Feinan in Jordan. And so according to Rothenberg's estimation, that they were exploiting these things from before the Chalcolithic period, which is the copper period we were just talking about, and it goes all the way up to the Islamic period. But the main period of exploitation, according to Benno, was the late Bronze Age, but according to us, it's actually the Iron Age, exactly the time of David and Solomon.
That makes more sense.
So this is another place where we've completely changed the paradigm that held for over 40 years.
Yeah, it makes a lot better.